Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the typewriter effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first of all, we have our text right here. So this is where the sample that we will be doing the text writer effect on. So we have this. And to do the typewriter effect, we need a cursor first that would guide our typing. So to get that cursor is that we need to go into our project panel. So in the project panel, you need to expand your project panel just like this, so that you would be able to see this new item right here. Click on the new item. And then from here, you would need a color matte. And from here, click on OK. And then you would choose the color of your cursor. So in my case, I would like white. Since my text is white, I also want my cursors to be white. And click OK. Click on OK right there. And you want to place your color matte on top of the text, just like that. And then you want to set it to the same duration. And then you want to go into the color matte and go into Effect Controls and go into Uniform Scale. Make sure to uncheck this and click on the motion right there. And then you can adjust your cursor now. You can make your cursor. Oops. Let's go into the color matte again. Go into motion. And you can now adjust this right there. So maybe I want it to be this thin right here. So maybe I want it to be this one. Or, yeah. This is too thin. I can adjust it here so that I can be more precise. So maybe 2 is a good one right there. Maybe, yeah, 2 is a good one. And then this would be my cursor right there. Yeah, right, just like that. And now we're going to add a linear wipe into our text right here. Go into Effects. Go into Linear Wipe right there. And then go into Sports Score. And right there, this would be our text. And we have our linear wipe right there, here. And our angle or text composition right there. But as you can see, the angle is not correct. So let's just adjust the wipe angle right there, right here. So let's see how it would be. And yeah, this is the correct angle right here, since we would be typing from left to right, just like that. Make sure that your wipe angle is 270. And then from here at the beginning, we want to start typing at the beginning. So we're going to go for a keyframe right here on the transition composition right there. And then we want, at this point, we want it to be, at the beginning, it should be not yet typed out right there. It should be empty, just like that. And at the end, we want it to be fully shown right there. So let's play it. And this would be the speed. But as you can see, it's quite slow. I think when the typewriter effect is in effect, it should be faster. So we're gonna go and adjust this keyframe right here to be closer to the original keyframe. And let's see, it's much faster. I think I want it to be more faster right there. And yeah, I think that is fine. And now that we have the linear wipe on, we can now adjust the cursor right here to follow the linear wipe. So we're gonna go click on the color matte right there, and we're gonna go and position. Click on the keyframe right there. So we want our cursor to be on the first. So we don't want it just like this one right there. It would appear right here just after the cursor. So we would need to adjust our cursor. So go into the beginning and press your arrow key in your keyboard to the right and see where it begins. So right here. So we want our cursor to begin at this point right there, or maybe just like that. Yeah, we want it here. Let's just clear the keyframe first right there. So we want our cursor to begin at this point right there. And we're gonna go and position, click the keyframe position right there so that it would start. And then we would just simply follow, or just like that. And we would be positioning again our keyframe. So we're gonna be adjusting it just like this one right here, just like that. And then we're gonna go a couple frames again, and we're gonna adjust the keyframe again. And just like this one right here, just like that. And we're gonna adjust it again right here. So we're gonna go, actually, no, this is wrong. We're gonna go and adjust it more. Let's see. And here, this is where it was fully typed out. So we're gonna go and adjust it right here. And just like that. And let's see how it would look like, and it would be now like this. As you can see, it's looking really good right there. That's a typewriter effect, but we can add some more spice into this. we can add a blinking effect right there. So we're just going to move this since we don't have any space. And we're just going to expand our color matte or our cursor right there. And from here, we would be adding a blinking. So we're going to cut it here because this is where the typing begins. And we're just going to go and simply add a flickering effect right here. So we're just maybe just like this one. We're just going to go and cut some random frames right here. And just like that, and just like that, like that. And let's see. And if you want to be more precise, then you can also do that just like that. As you can see, that was the effect right there. And that was it. Or you could be more precise and add a couple more that is more clean. So we're going to go into the beginning and we're going to hold shift and then a right arrow key so that it would be precisely 5 frames, and another one, shift and arrow key, shift and right arrow key, shift and right arrow key, shift and right arrow key right there. And we're just gonna delete this right there. Maybe we're gonna go for this one right there, and 5 frames. And we're just gonna reposition that 5 frames right there, and we're gonna go and do this reposition right there. So it would be like this, 1, 2, 3, and then it would now start just like that. And you can also add this in the beginning if you would want to. So you can also do this right here. You can expand this, and then you want to go and cut it here where it ends, and just like that, and then shift right arrow key just like that, and you want to cut it again, shift right arrow key, and you want to expand it if you want to add more, right arrow key again, and then another one just like that, another one just like that. And then you want to add between the clips, you want to delete all of it. Actually, it's wrong. Just like this one, just like that. And then now we have this right here. So this is now our typewriter effect. So let's play it just like that. And it's now just like that. And now all that's left is for you to add a sound effect right here. But I don't want to add a sound effect because I might get copyrighted. But as you can see, it's very long. So let's just adjust this right here. And where the typing ends right here is actually just right here. So we're just going to cut this right there, and we're going to go and move this right here. So we're just going to shift arrow key, and we're going to do it just like that. And now we have this right here. Square, and actually just like that. And just like that. And now we have this right here. That is now our typewriter effect. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.